And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Tejas running in and into a roll in front of you. The pilot will now carry out a hard left turn. The Tejas is the smallest lightweight multi-role combat aircraft in the world. It has been designed and developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency ADA. It's India's first modern fighter aircraft and brings together decades of scientific and technological research in this country. World-class technology has been established in the country for the Light Combat Aircraft program. It incorporates state-of-the-art technology in every aspect of design and development, from test facilities to computer simulations, composite materials to digital flight control systems. And now, to set your hearts ablaze, an inverted pass along the runway. Today, the aircraft is being flown by Wing Commander Vikram Singh. The Light Combat Aircraft is a precision weapon launch platform with multi-role capability. The choice of 3 hard points below each wing and 1 under the fuselage gives considerable flexibility to carry a variety of missiles, bombs and rockets. The pilot is now executing a low-speed run at 240 kilometers an hour. One must appreciate that for a modern combat aircraft, successful deployment of weapons is its primary mission. High maneuverability and carefree handling capability of the aircraft, combined with advanced cockpit, digital avionics and weapon-free interface, gives LCA a very good point and shoot capability with quick turnaround time. And now, to bid adieu, the pilot will carry out a roll off the top and vanish into the skies.